Hi viewers, so in this video I'm going to talk about the post-colonial basic terms that are important to understand the basic concept of post-colonialism. So these terms are important as well as these are confusing. So let's start this video and finish this confusion. So first is what is post-colonialism? Post-colonialism is a time after colonialism, a time where we study the effects of colonialism. So it is the literature produced by the settlement of one country by the other. It is that literature that is produced by formerly colonized countries from the late 1960s till today. It deals with the literature produced in countries that once were colonies in Britain, France, Spain, America, etc. etc. So, post colonial literature studies from the perspective of those who were colonized by the Western countries. So, post colonialism is a time after colonial rule. Principally, this theory constructs on examining the key characteristics of Western countries that why they think of themselves as superior. So, the first key term is colonizers. In post colonial theory, colonizers are West, the ones who treated colonized as subaltern. They forcefully persuaded their powers on colonized to accept the foreign culture and practices as something significant. They assert their powers on them to create their forms of knowledge and their discourse. Next is the term colonized. Colonized is East. They are treated as others by the colonizers. So, colonized are treated as their colonial subject. These are the ones who want to break the boundaries between East and West. They produce the post colonial literature and see what happens when they assert their rights and work in their own way from the colonized that are east colonizers who are west make use of them manipulate them and take advantages from them. In post-colonial terms, the third point is hybridity. Hybridity can be defined as multiple identities at once. As a human being, you can be a teacher, mother, father, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother, student, or worker at the same time. So, in post colonial literature, hybridity refers to the blend of Asia or Africa that has found a balance between Eastern and Western cultural attributes. It refers to a cross between two separate cultures or mixed Eastern and Western cultures. So it may encounter in many forms, for example, cultural, political, and linguistic. So hybridity is a term popularized by Homi K. Bhabha. According to him, hybridity is the creating of new cultural forms